The day you understand why people buy is the day you never worry about affiliate commission again. Hey friends, my name is Jobin. Every business has its own secret of success, and to succeed, you must follow this secret. So too is affiliate marketing. Most people fail in affiliate marketing not because they are lazy, but because they follow garbage advice. Forget the hype. I'm about to give you the real secret sauce that turns quiet creators into commission machine. No fluff, just the real secret. And if you are tired of watching everyone else post of $100 per day while you sit on $0 commission, hit that subscribe button because we are burning the rule book today. Now, let me walk you through 4 secret sauce for affiliate marketing success. And if you carefully follow these steps or secret closely, I promise you are not going to sit on $0 again. You will start recording commission upon commission upon commission, and you will become very successful in your affiliate marketing journey. So, to hit the ball rolling, let's start with secret sauce number 1, and that is understanding your audience. Most beginners act like desperate sales representatives, but here is the truth. Affiliate marketing isn't about selling, it is about solving. Let me explain. As an affiliate, you don't make sales simply because you've posted or you've shared your link on socials. Rather, you make sales or you record sales because you actually solve a problem. That is why top affiliate earners act like doctors. That is, they diagnose problems and then prescribe products that will solve the problem. That is how doctors act. And as an affiliate, it is important to follow that same method in order to make sales. So before you share your link again on socials, ask yourself, what is my audience struggling with? Okay? And what transformation do they actually want? These are good questions you can use to examine or assess yourself. Try to see what your audience are going through. The pain points of your audience. When you understand their pain points and then provide solution that will solve their problem, that is when you will actually make sales. So the key points here is try to understand your audience pain points and then prescribe the right product that will solve that problem. Once that is done, then selling becomes automatic. You sell on autopilot. So when your audience see you as a helper to solve their problem, then selling becomes effortless and automatic and not begging. Let's talk about the secret sauce number 2, and that is your content strategy. Please take note of this. Your job as an affiliate is to educate your audience, not to beg them to buy. This is true because your audience may not really understand your offer and why it is important. They may not really understand what you have and how this can solve their problem. So it is your job to educate them about your offer and how it can solve their problem. Once that is done, they will be able to build trust in you and also your offer. So instead of spamming your link, create content that shows how your product solves a problem. Additionally, you can also share your experiences while you were using these products, or also share your result that you had. The result that you had when you were using this product. Share it with your audience. Again, you can also create a comparison kind of content. Maybe your products against another product. You compare them and then show why you prefer a particular product over a particular product. In doing so, you want to be very honest. If there is something that is not working in that your products, be honest with your audience. Tell them that this particular thing in this product is not working well. This is a way of building trust with your audience. So by so doing, your audience will see you as a trusted advisor and not as a salesperson. Once that is achieved, selling or clicking your link will be automatic. I mean, your audience will make use of your link without hesitation, and that is how you sell without begging your followers. So the main point here is create content that educates your audience about your products and how this product become a solution to their problem. Once that is done, they will be able to make use of your link without hesitation, and selling becomes easier and effortless, just like I said earlier. Now, let's talk about secret sauce number 3, and that is you must build your traffic system. Professionals affiliate build systems for their products instead of depending on random posts on socials. Here is how it works. Pick 1 or 2 platforms, show up consistently. Show up on a regular basis with your content and then track what works. Let me explain how to do this. So first, you will have to decide which platform you are going to use. Whether you are going with TikTok or YouTube, or whether you are going with TikTok and YouTube, or you are going with TikTok and Facebook. So just pick a platform or 2 platforms that you are going to use. That is the first thing you are going to do. Next, you pick 2 different products. Then you create 2 different contents about these 2 products you've picked. And that is a total of 4 contents. After picking 2 different products, you create 2 content about this product you've picked, and also create another 2 content about this other product you've picked. And that is a total of 4 content. Upload your content about your 2 different products on your platform. And remember, while creating the content, your job is to educate your audience about the problem or how your product solve their problems. So after creating the content and then uploading them to your platform, your next job is to observe which of these contents has the higher engagement. Observe from these 4 content you've posted about 2 different products, which of them has the higher engagement. Once that is done, you are now able to know the particular product that your audience are really interested in. The next assignment you are going to do is to create more content about this particular product that your audience are interested. Alright? Create more different content about these products and then upload to your platform. Remember, your goal is to build traffic, build trust, and this will eventually lead to sales. And that is how your consistency will beat creativity at all times. So what are we saying? Pick 1 or 2 platforms, create content about 2 different products, observe the content that has higher engagement, keep building on what really works, and then you will learn on sales. And that is how you sell based on your consistency on your socials. Now, before we move to the 4th secret sauce, here is an opportunity for you. If you are an affiliate or a content creator but hate showing your face on camera, you don't want people to see you or to know you. Maybe you are using a faceless kind of content. You are creating faceless kind of content, alright? And you want an attractive content that is suitable for your YouTube shorts, your Instagram reels, or for your TikTok. There is a new creators tool that has just dropped that you can take advantage of and benefit maximally. So if you are really interested in creating a short but attention grabbing kind of content for your YouTube shorts, for your Instagram reels, or for your TikTok, this is the tool you've been waiting for. I made a little research on these tools, and I discovered that many creators who have used this tool, they are already recording massive success. I found that some of them record up to hundreds of thousands of views. I saw one particular creator using this tool, and he recorded up to 107 million views. Another one recorded 103 million views. I saw 77 million views. I also saw 11 million views, 5 million views, 19 million views. So this is the tool that you need to promote your products in form of a short content. Remember that short content usually go far distance compared to longer video. So with your short content, it has the potential of reaching a larger audience compared to longer videos. So this is a tool that you've been looking for. So if you're interested and you want to check it out, drop the word link in the comment section. Then I will send the link directly to you, just like I said. Now let's move to our 4th point. The 4th secret sauce for affiliate marketing success, and that has to do with building your email list. In my previous video, I have discussed these points that every affiliate marketers need an email list. This is very important. That is why I want to repeat this same point, the point I've already talked about in my other videos. You see, one thing that most beginners fail to understand is the fact that social media followers does not belong to you. Take for example, if your account is deleted today, what happened to those your followers? They are gone. They are gone. So don't depend on your social media followers. They are not your real followers. I mean, these followers doesn't belong to you. They can leave you at any point in time. In case something happened to your account, that is how they are gone, and you won't have access to them. But your email list will remain with you at all times. So you can use this email list to build trust, build relationship, and then eventually recommend your product to them. So instead of depending on social media followers, start now to collect emails, and this is a real followers that you need for your affiliate marketing success. In other words, your email list is like your personal traffic source because you have access to it at all times. And that is the reason why professional affiliates treat their email list like gold, because this is where your audience stops scrolling and start listening to you. So it is very important. So to do this, use system.io to create a simple landing page with a questionnaire. Also make provision for your audience to drop their emails. Once that is done, you can now start gathering those emails. So once you gather the email, your next thing is to deliver value to them. Continue to nurture and build this relationship and eventually recommend your product to them. Email list is a little sales machine that keeps printing commission while you live your normal life. So don't joke with it. So if you are serious about affiliate marketing, start collecting that email now. Now, to wrap it up, here is a recap of what we've discussed today. So we've discussed that the number one secret source for affiliate marketing success is understanding your audience. Number two, that you must create content that educates your audience about your products and the problem that is solved. And this is how you build trust and make sales. Number three, that you must build system that will work for your offer. And finally, building your email list. Go to work on these 4 points and you will never remain at $0 commission at the back end of your affiliate marketing. So stop chasing shiny objects and start mastering human psychology, because people don't buy link, they buy trust. And the day you understand why people buy is the day you never worry again about affiliate commission. If this video gives you clarity, drop a flame emoji in the comments and I will send you a personal checklist that I use to turn content into cash on autopilot. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because my job is to help you stop guessing and start earning commission like a pro. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.